Hello friends, how are you? Friends, where and how did you touch life today? Right? When you woke up in the morning, what got woken up in you? Where did you touch the life first? And where did you feel that, oh yeah, I'm alive, there's life in me, right? All connections are there inside. So, the seat of the consciousness, which you cannot see, is here. And as you get up in the morning, if you can focus a little bit here, you'll feel the power of the self inside you, and with the help of that you get all other connections also initiated, because that is how you initiate your connections. Once you have initiated your connections, then you can further do whatever you wish to, because all actions will emerge only because you first initiated properly. You anchored yourself in the seat of consciousness, you felt what life is, and you also must be knowing what is the purpose of it. Sometimes when John was asked by people that, who are you? He said, I am the voice. I am the voice which creates the way for the God to come, right? I am not God, but I am the voice which creates the path for the God to come. And then came Jesus, and Jesus, after he was baptized, he went to the forest and meditated there for 40 days. In India also we say Hanuman Chalisa, 40 days we meditate. He also meditated for 40 days. Durga Chalisa हम पढ़ते हैं, 40 दिन के लिए पढ़ते हैं. Why is it? Why do we do all this, right? Why do we do all this? Because we know that in order for us to get connected to the real power within us, we have to first have our own connections recognized, and through those connections, then that power will come to you, that desire will come to you to know your whole self. And once you know the whole self, then you will understand that this life itself is the biggest reward. Life is that reward which has been given to you by the creation, right? And through that creation, you have emerged. And once you know that we are the creation which has come from the source of creation and the creator, all the three are one, then you will be able to do whatever you wish to do today, right? In a much better way. Because life starts jumping early morning, see at the back, because the child is not taught anything, but he knows, I am life. You are life. And once you know that you have to initiate your life by movement, you do it with or without, but the knowing potential in you, which is there in the child also, without saying also, life moves. So carry on with your whatever you have to do today, after recognizing first properly that your best reward today is that infinity is touching you through this infinite model. Okay? But don't identify with anything small. Identify with infinity. Okay? Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay tuned, happy, healthy, and I'll see you tomorrow.